Greeting to all my loving kids. I am your teacher Ankita Tiwari. Children, ma'am is going to show you our school computer lab. See, this is our school computer lab, and lab is having so many computers, such a huge computer lab. See, many computers are there. Big computer lab we have. Children, do you know who is he? Yes, you all know the answer. He is Charles Babbage, the father of computer. Students, see, this is a computer, and but see, right now it is off. How to open a computer? How we can start a work on a computer? So children, let's learn how to start a computer. First step is switch on the main power supply. Second step is switch on the UPS button. This is the computer UPS. Now this green light is on and it is showing that the UPS is on. Step number 3 is switch on the CPU button. This is the CPU. Step number 4, switch on the monitor. It will take some time. Now the computer is on. You can start doing your work on the computer system. So children, these are the steps to start a computer. Children, you know that computer is an electronic machine that help us to make our work easy and fast, right? It uses electricity for working and it helps us to do many work. Children, see, these are the 4 main parts of a computer system. This is a monitor. It is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. It shows the result. It is an output device. It looks like a TV. It is of 3 types: CRT, LCD and LED. Which type of monitor is this, children? This is the LCD monitor. See the screen? This monitor is having a flat screen and it is also very light in weight. So this is a LCD monitor, liquid crystal display. Children, see, this is a keyboard. It has many buttons on it which are called keys. Keyboard help us to enter numbers, alphabets, symbols and special characters. A normal keyboard has 104 keys. These total keys are 104. Now the next part of a computer is a mouse. Not that one after which a cat runs. The another one which is a part of a computer. See children, this is a computer mouse. It has 2 or 3 buttons. It is used to select and open an object on the screen. It is also used to draw pictures on the screen. Now see the main part of a computer system. This is CPU. It stands for Central Processing Unit. It is a brain of a computer. It controls all the other parts of a computer. It has 3 parts: ALU, control unit and memory unit. ALU stands for arithmetic and logical unit. See children, this is a laptop computer. Laptop computers are smaller than desktop computers as well as they are lighter in weight and we can easily carry them anywhere along with us. They run on battery. Now the next type of computer is the palm top computer. See the picture, children. This is a palm top computer. Palm top computers can be kept on palm. They are slim and easy to carry anywhere. They look like a smartphone and works with touch screen. They also run on battery. Children, this is UPS. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. It keeps computer on when the electricity goes off. Now see, this is a microphone. It is used to record sound into the computer. See, children, this is a speaker. It is used to listen to music. Speakers help us to hear music or songs. When we want to do a party with the friends and relatives and we want to listen a loud sound, then we use speakers. Children, see, this is a headphone. It is also used to listen to music but without disturbing others. This is a printer. It helps you in printing the work done by you on a paper. This printed work is known as printout or hard copy. Children, this is a CD. CD stands for compact disc. Now see the shape of the CD. It is circular in shape. It is round in shape. CD is used to store information. It is not fixed with a computer. Whenever we need to store the data on it, we insert it in the computer. Being very light in weight and small in size, a CD can be carried to any place, anytime. Now see, children, this is a pen drive. It is very small in size but can store more data than a CD. It can be carried from one place to another place very easily. See, this is a hard disk. It is rectangular in shape. It can store large amount of data. It is usually present inside the CPU cabinet. Now children, let's learn the steps to shut down a computer. Here you can see that this is the start button. You can see over here, this is the start button. So click on the start button with the help of a mouse. This is the start button. Click on the start button. Then you can see this is the shutdown option. So the second step is click on shutdown option. Now children, wait for some time. The computer will turn off automatically. Here you can see that shutting down is written. Now the system is off now. The third step is switch off the monitor button. Here is a monitor button. Now switch off this monitor button. This light is off now. Step number 4 is switch off the UPS button. And the last step number 5 is switch off the main power supply. Now the computer system is off. I hope that you must have understood everything. That's all for today. Thank you, children.